Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to be throwing paper airplanes to see who can get them the farthest. And yeah, our first contestant is Abby Aguilar. Secondly, we have Birdie Bang. Then we have Eileen Bolina.
What?
Bombiba, I don't know. And then obviously me, Jaden Brown. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we have 3 rules for this challenge. Rule number 1.
You have 24 hours to make your airplane. Yes.
Rule number 2.
There's gonna be a line and you cannot cross it. If you cross it, you're disqualified.
And rule number 3.
The winner can get $1 prize.
Alright.
Hey guys, so I finished my airplane. It wasn't really a content to build it. It was very simple, which I'm very glad for because I didn't want to encumber and stress about it. It's just a little competition, so I just needed a very simple airplane. So yeah, I was thinking of doing like a pont type of airplane, like very showy and like stickers everywhere or stuff like that. But then I figured it was probably gonna end up in the trash can after this if I beat someone, Jaden, and if he would probably crush my airplane. So I would probably want to throw it in the trash instead of keeping a crumpled up airplane. But yeah, so I just really hope it traverses at least a couple of the airplanes. I don't think it's gonna be the last one, but I hope it's not one of the last ones. But yeah, the weather, I hope it cooperates, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. Hopefully it is not torrid to the point where it is really hot and hard to fly planes. And I hope it's not windy either, to the point where it's really windy and the airplanes start literally moving everywhere. Yeah. So far, I'm good with the rules. Paper only. 24 hours. Still good. So yeah, so in case I do win, I haven't broken any of the rules yet. Depending on what I do when we actually fly the planes. But yeah. So, wish me luck, guys.
Alright, time to make this airplane. Gotta look up a video, because I don't know what I think I'm gonna do. But we already know I'm gonna win, so.
Yeah!
Okay. I'm done with my airplane. It looks pretty cool. I threw it once and it flies actually like pretty well. I like, like soars really good. At the bottom though, it's really like messy and like haphazard. Like, I don't know. I just like kind of, I don't know. I messed up, I guess. But I still think it's gonna work really good. Pretty sure I'm gonna win. So one thing that I think that could make this better, I feel like if I had like tape or like a staple at the bottom, because like it's really loose, but I'm obligated to follow the rule, the 4th rule that I added, or that we added. I'm thinking now, and I think I'm gonna let this one emancipate, let it go, make a new one, the same design, but just like fix up the bottom because I really don't like it. Alright, so I redid it and it's actually like really good. The bottom's like so much more organized and like fixed and like cleaner. Before it was like really all bent and stuff. Anyways, before it was all bent and stuff, but now it's fixed, so yeah.
This is Birdie, and you guys can tell my video art look hard because we already finished our inexplicable airplane challenge, and you guys can deduce that my airplane has some trauma. Yes, but I need to thank Eileen Vanilla because she was helping me how to fly an airplane, because to be honest, I don't know how to fly an airplane. But I know it's not like a fretless airplane, but it's the camaraderie between us.
Hello everyone, this is Abby Aguilar again, and with the airplane challenge. Yes. So like to make a paper airplane, you only need to use copy paper, and you need a lot of patience. And yeah. And if you like are really creative, you can even use markers and pencils to decorate and other paraphernalia to like decorate it. But yeah. To make a good airplane, you've got to be really punctilious about the folding thing. Even though like I'm really callow at making airplanes, I really like them to be equally folded, because then I get really stiff because it looks scrappy. Plus the way you fold it, it can affect the way it flies. Like if you fold the paper wrong, it will impoverish the way it flies. So yeah, I tried to make an airplane the first time. I did it wrong. This is how it ended. Then I did it again, and this is how it ended. It's so beautiful, I know. Look, it's better than Angel's airplane. Okay, never mind. But yeah. Bye.
Okay, we're about to throw these. Obviously, I'm gonna win. And yeah. All right, now it is shortest to tallest. Abby Aguilar, you are up first.
Okay.
Now, Eileen Bobiba.
It is, he's trying. I'm gonna hate you for this.
Birdie Bang.
Birdie bang! Birdie! What kind of...
Now, you're truly Eden Brown.
Yes, I won! So now we declare Abby...
Y'all were making fun of me,
ugly
and I won.
Where's Jaden going? Oh my god.
Birdie's parents. She's
Not my business. Abby's the winner. Birdie and me are the losers. At least we're taking it.
Losers over there.
Well, big fat losers over there. So we finished the challenge, as y'all saw. And Abby won. Jaden is mad. Jaden is mad. And yeah, so Jaden, you're paying Abby the $1 prize. And yeah, we're done.